What if I told you AI won't just make you money, it can help you build a billion-dollar mindset? Everyone wants to become a billionaire, but almost no one thinks like one. Here's the truth. Money doesn't start in your bank account. It starts in your mind. And today, AI is the fastest way to upgrade that mind. Not by doing everything for you, but by thinking with you. Billionaires don't guess. They analyze, they test, they move fast, and AI gives you that power instantly. Let's say you have a business idea. Instead of overthinking for months, you ask AI, validate this idea. What are the risks? What can I improve? Now you're not guessing. You're building with clarity. Want to make money online? Ask AI, give me 10 scalable business models based on my skills. Want to grow faster? Use AI to study billionaires' habits, their strategies, their decisions. Because success leaves clues, and AI helps you find them in seconds. But here's the real secret. AI is not the shortcut, it's the accelerator. If you're lazy, it won't save you. But if you're focused, it can 10x your growth. Use AI to learn faster, execute smarter, save time, and scale ideas. Because in today's world, the people who win are not the smartest. They're the ones who use tools the smartest. And AI is the most powerful tool you have right now. If you're ready to level up your mindset and income, check the link in the description. This can change your life.